Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is July the 20th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction in the market for Ocugen. Yes, we are on guard to pay attention to where the price is going to go so that we can literally win and dominate in the space. We're not here to give you any hype, any FUD, any FOMO. It's our purpose just to pay attention to the price, right? Anyone else that tries to give you anything outside of price literally is going to confuse you. They're trying to place value on a market to where everyone else is worried about one thing and one thing only, and that's the price. Everyone else is out there trying to give you some type of fundamental analysis, some type of tweet, some type of breaking news, some type of outlier to try to justify, well, the price should be higher. No, it shouldn't. The price is what it is. Whatever the last trade price was on the exchange, it is a market, is what this price is supposed to be. Don't try to read too much into it, because you're going to end up giving yourself some frustration, some fear, some FUD, some emotion, because you are presuming that price should be high, or you are presuming that price should be lower when the market price is what it is what it's going for. So why would you try to go through all of that information just to rack your brain just to figure out, okay, where's the price going to go? That's it. If you're worried about price, just look at the price. If you're worried about a company's future earnings, okay, read the reports. But don't expect price to go higher just because you see positive revenue come through on the last quarter of a company's earnings reports. Just focus on the reports, then don't worry about the price. And try to garner a price just by looking at those reports. You can't do it because the market doesn't look at those reports neither. They look at price action and price movement, period. So if you want to join us, the doors are open, right? We're not pulling no one's leg. We're not here trying to hype up our YouTube channel. If you want to join us, you're here. Might as well do it, because you'll learn more from us than you would from any other YouTube channel that is out here just trying to simply pump stocks. We're not about pumping. We're going to give you the truth. If the price is going to go lower, you best believe we tell you that. If the price is going to go higher, we'll tell you that too. We don't care, because the market, we can win either way. So if anyone is out there just pumping one side of the market, the buy side, they have no idea of how to read the market, and even best, let alone understand what's going on, right? So join us. Now, this is Ocugen, okay? We did a price prediction in the market in Ocugen not long ago. You guys can see it back there on June 25th, right? Not hiding anything from our people. You're part of our community, right? This is what we expected, the market price in Ocugen to go higher. And generally, for the most part, it really hasn't done it. But go back and listen to the video. We told our people that our first area TP would be right there around $9. And the market in Ocugen pretty much just traded sideways since our prediction, right? $9 was right there on June 29th. We did our video on June 25th. So 4 days into our prediction, the market came and hit our ultimate, well, not our ultimate, it hit our first area TP, right? It did. So if you was already in position, you could at least garner 10, almost 11% out the market right there. Okay, right there. So let's take this away, because I really wanted to see if the market in Ocugen is going to go higher, if that's still on the table, because we've seen some pretty good movement yesterday in the market in Ocugen that kind of gave us a little bit more breath. He kind of lets us know that, hey guys, I'm not really trying to dump the price in Ocugen right now, because he also confirmed our support area. See that? So the market here in Ocugen is still actually maintaining itself. It's actually pretty healthy for us to not see this price break below $6. On top of us being up 12.91% yesterday. That's pretty good. So actually, just looking at this chart on a daily perspective, yeah, the market here in Ocugen is definitely trying to go back up, right? So let's see how high though. So let me show you what's going on the chart in Ocugen on the 2-day time frame. Okay, so this is the 2-day. The market here looks pretty good. I like it. I like the market here in Ocugen for us to continue to see some strength. Now, again, I'm not going to be the one to hype up this stock. It's not bullish in the sense to where the market's going to just moon up 100%, 10 extra money. That's ridiculous. But it has strength, which means we can still see price go higher, which means that we can still profit. That's all we're worried about. So 3-day time frame. We got a day and 10 hours left, but so far so good. 5-day. So far so good. Take a look at the market on the weekly. So far so good. 2 weeks time frame. So far so good, right? The gist of where the market is going to go for Ocugen is based off our support of $6, period. Right there. Okay. So what do you think? Let's go ahead and get rid of this and put on a new prediction. Like I told you, we're still seeing the market strength in Ocugen. Okay. $6 still needs to be maintained as support. Price breaks below $6, we understand that the market is overly bearish, overly weak, and we need to get out the way. Because we have already seen historically that the price enjoys, or the trap enjoys, holding price above $6. So why would we come through and try to buck the trend? Can you still see it though? $9 is still restriction. There's even one closer. $8. That also is going to be plagued as restriction. So we got to be prepared for the market to go down. That is what I mean. That's what I mean when I say restriction. $8 is the first area that we can actually see the price in Ocugen go down. $9 is the second place. So understandably, you'll come through, take the bag right before the market retreats and go down. So it's not going to be much, but around $8, 6.92%. Grab that out the market just to be satisfied. I'm going to bring it to $9 again, which is around 19.31%. Let me take a look at this on a monthly time frame. So here on the monthly time frame, it could go either way. Okay, I want to show you the monthly trend in the market for Ocugen is this though. Okay, so generally the overall trend is still up for Ocugen in the long term. Just taking it a while. Okay, so as we go throughout the rest of 2021, as these price bars continue to congeal towards our ascending line, we'll have an idea as to whether or not the strength is going to happen, or are we going to break this ascending line sideways and come down, right? So that decision is going to be made probably next month, August, September time frame. So definitely have to be on guard for that in the market in Ocugen. But yeah, let's run this one right here, okay? So now it's your turn. I want you all to tell me, what do you think the price in Ocugen is going to do? Where is it going to move? Call the market. Put a prediction on the chart. Let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.